My name is Henry Robinson Moore. I'm the Service and Maintenance Manager. Three main areas that I work in. One is obviously the maintenance of our existing stock that's out there. The other one is about the servicing of the buildings. And we have a contract called a Rubb service plan, which has proven very, very popular. And that tends to look after the maintenance of the building on an annual basis, where we'll go along and inspect the building, write a report, and then we'll give it to the clients. So I guess that's my main focus. I'm seeing a little bit of a shift towards renewable energy. I think that that's a very expanding market for Rubb. We've completed a cover for a lagoon, which was for an environmental company. That was quite bespoke to them, and I enjoyed working on that job. The company had 8 people out, or 8 companies out, trying to resolve an issue that I had of covering a lagoon. And of course, we, being a custom designer and manufacturer, we were able to manufacture something for the client, and they were extremely happy with it. It was a good project to work on, and it was done on a collaborative basis. I've just completed a job for Port of Tilbury. That was a 30-year-old building that had been dismantled, and they repurposed the building. The frame, the steel work is galvanized steel. It was still in perfect condition. So we erected the building, reskinned it, and now they have a twin 30 span by 78 metres at the Port of Tilbury, and they're very, very pleased with it. It looks like a brand new building.